The name of the chapter is Coal and Petroleum. I had already sent part 2 parts of this chapter. In first one, that is coal, and the second part, that is petroleum. In that I had explained you what is the coal, how the coal is useful to us, and how the coal is origin. कोल कैसे form होता है. Now in this video, today I am going to explain you first is natural gas. What is natural gas? In this chapter we have to learn 3 exhaustible resources, that is coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal and petroleum, the 2 points were clear. Now the third point is remaining, that is natural gas. Natural gas is also a fossil fuel. Why fossil fuel? Same like coal, that is regenerated by the dead organisms. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are regenerated by dead organisms. Organism, that means living things. Now this natural gas stored under the high pressure compressed natural gas. Natural gas जो होता है वो कैसे स्टोर होता है? How it is stored? It is stored under the high temperature. That's why this natural gas is also known as CNG. You are familiar with this word? What is CNG? CNG, that means the full form of CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. This CNG is used as a fuel in vehicles also, is used in power generation factories also. This CNG, this natural gas is known as cleaner fuel. Why cleaner fuel? Because when it burns, it creates a less air pollution. When CNG is burned, when natural gas is burned, it creates a less air pollution. That's why it is known as cleaner fuel as compared to coal and petroleum. Now this CNG, this natural gas is directly for burning, used for burning in factories through the pipes. This CNG gas is supplied in factories and homes through the pipes. This gas, the gas we are using in our homes and factories, this gas is known as LPG. LPG and CNG, these both are the type of natural gas. Remember this carefully. LPG and CNG, these both are the parts of natural gas. What is the full form of LPG? That is liquefied petroleum gas. Full form of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. While the full form of CNG, that is compressed natural gas, and full form of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. This LPG is used in factories and homes, while CNG is used as a fuel in power generation factories and the motor vehicles, like big motor vehicles जिसमें fuel use होता है. Now this natural gas, we are talking about the pipes. This LPG is supplied through the pipes in our homes and factories. Now in some good areas of India, like Gujarat, Delhi, Maharashtra, in many more states, we are using the supplying of LPG. पहले क्या होता था? हमारे घर पे सिलेंडर आता था. That you know very well. आपकी मम्मा किचन में सिलेंडर यूज करती थी for the cooking. Nowadays, we are using LPG. This case by a pipe only. So no need for cooking cylinder etc. So this is somewhat we can avoid the risk also. So these are the natural gas. 3 components we have studied in this chapter: coal, petroleum and natural gas. Today's topic was the natural gas. Natural gas is also a fossil fuel. Why? Because it can origin of the dead organism. This natural gas is known as a compressed gas. Why? Because it is stored under the high pressure. The another name of natural gas, that is CNG. The full form of CNG, that is compressed natural gas. This CNG is used in the power generation, and this CNG is known as a clean course it create a less pollution as compared to the other sources. Now the CNG is also we can use in the through the pipes. The CNG is supplied through the pipes in homes and factories. This gas is known as LPG. LPG, that means liquefied petroleum gas. In most of the states, in many of the states in India, we are using this LPG through the gas pipes. So I hope this point, natural gas, you understood very well. Our next topic is the last topic of this lesson. The meaning is some natural resources are limited. Means as we study first part also in this session, starting of this chapter is that some exhaustible resources are there, but they are limited in quantity. Some exhaustible resources are there, they are limited in quantity. So we have to use this very wisely. We have to use it judicially. If it is necessary, then and then we can use it. And this topic, the name is some natural resources are limited. We can tag that conservation of exhaustible resources. Conservation with 7. Conservation of exhaustible resources. Now let's start with today's topic. First of all, coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum, you know that very well. They are the exhaustible example of exhaustible resources. How they form? Millions years ago to convert it into the fuel. They take millions years, thousands years to convert into the fuel. Now coal is generated, that is dead vegetation process, and petroleum, that is in the sea area. What happened while coal and petroleum is burning? What happened? Which type of pollution is there? Now I had told you that natural gas, they are exhaustible. Now when this coal and petroleum burn, they create a lot of air pollution that we know also very well. When coal and petroleum are burned, they create lots of air pollution. What happened if air pollution is there? They are linked to the global warming. If global warming will be rise, then what happened? The proportion in the atmosphere, proportion of CO2 in the atmosphere will increase. The proportion of CO2 is increased, then what happened? The temperature is very high. Temperature क्या हो जाएगा? High हो जाएगा. And we cannot survive. The temperature is very high. So what we have to do now? So we have to use these exhaustible resources very carefully. We have so many alternative uses. Instead of this coal and petroleum, we can use solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, etc. So many things are there. So we can use instead of this coal and petroleum. One more time I am repeating, coal and petroleum are exhaustible resources. They take 1,000 years to convert into the fuel. What happened when they are burning? When the coal and petroleum are burned, it creates a lot of air pollution, and it also linked with the global warming. If the global warming, क्या होगा? If the proportion of carbon dioxide is increased, it creates a high temperature in all over the atmosphere, then we cannot survive in it. So what we have to do? We have to just do only, we have to use this exhaustible resources very carefully. There are so many alternative uses are there, like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. Now let's move to the next topic. In our India, one institute is working. The name of that institute, that is PCRA. Abbreviation, full form of PCRA, that is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. One more time. PCRA, that is, this is one institution that is working for advising the people how you have to use these exhaustible resources. The full form of PCRA, that is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. They are guiding us, they are advising us to use this fossil fuel very judicially, very carefully. Otherwise, what happens? These fossil fuel are maximum, this source of this fossil fuel about 100 or 1000 years still on. After that, what happened? Our next generation are there. They are not using any coal and petroleum. They will not use any bikes also, any vehicles also. They will use only, like even ancient days people are using like that, they are using only bicycles. Just imagine, without this coal and petroleum, without this fossil fuel, what is the life of human beings? What is the life of us? How can we survive? Because nowadays we are using literally so much use of it. So, as a human being, as an Indian good citizen, we take one place that we will use judicially. We will decrease the maximum use of this fossil fuel. Now some tips I am giving to you. What to do? Drive at a constant and moderate speed. When you are driving your vehicle, you will drive at a constant speed. एक speed पे आप drive करो. Why? Because if you are changing your speed, then it will take more fuel. It will take more fuel. Next topic is switch off the engine. Switch off the engine at a traffic lights. Where you have to wait only. That is the rule that you know very well. If you are standing at a traffic lights, if signal is not there, you have to switch off the engine because we have to wait there. Third is ensure the correct type of pressure. Ensure the correct tire pressure. आपको आपका टायर का pressure check करना है correctly. And most important thing, that is regular maintenance of the vehicles. Regular maintenance of the vehicles means you have to do your vehicle service regularly in a proper interval of time. So these are the conservation of natural resources. Natural resources means exhaustible resources. They are limited in quantity. So it is our duty as a good citizen. It is our duty to save these resources for our future generation also, so they can use it very nicely. So this topic I hope you understood very well. Natural gas, one more time I am repeating, coal and petroleum, these are the exhaustible resources. We have to, it takes a burning, it create air pollution, and it is linked with the global warming also. It creates the carbon dioxide that will create a high temperature all over the atmosphere. We have to use alternative use, solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, etc. One institute is there in our country, that is PCRF, Petroleum Conservation Research Association. They are advising us, they are guiding us to how to use the fossil fuel. A quick review of chapter number 5. First topic was the types of resources, natural resources, man-made resources, natural resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Now I think it is not needed to repeat the what is exhaustible and what is inexhaustible. Next was there we had studied separately coal, petroleum and natural gas. Shape of these three are exhaustible resources. Shape of these three resources, shape, how it is origin of and how this useful to is in our daily life. And the last topic is conservation of exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources in limited in quantity, so it is advisory to use these resources very carefully. So students, I hope you understood this chapter very well. Regarding this chapter, in among 3 parts I sent you. Regarding this chapter, whole chapter, you have any doubts or queries, that we will discuss in our online sessions. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay home.